Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll just be showing you my little boot collection that I have. They're like the brands that most people are familiar with. I have the Timberlands, the Doc Martens, and the Uggs. So the Uggs that I'll be showing you guys, I recently got like a few weeks ago. I got them because they were at a very good price. And also, just a tip for those people that are size 7 and like adults, you can actually fit into a children's size, and most of the time, like the shoes that you can get in kid sizes as well, go ahead and buy them because they're usually a lot more cheaper if they're on clearance, and even if they are at regular price, they're also a lot more cheaper. I've noticed that. So let's get on with the video. All right. So I'll be showing you my Timberlands. The first ones I'll be showing you are these purple ones. They're like a dusty purple. And these are all originals. They aren't dupes, or I didn't get them from like those websites like DHgate where people get like the duped version of a certain brand. These are all originals. They were about $60 at that time, and I got them at the Journeys website because sometimes the website has different prices than the actual store at your mall, and sometimes like you can also get like a certain color that they don't have at the store because it's like past season or something, you know. So that's the first pair that I will show you guys. Not got because I got these all like together. So these are the second ones I'll be showing you, and they are a royal, they look like a royal blue purple, kind of. Not sure. It's more of a blue than a purple. It kind of looks blue on the camera for some reason. But they also have that little Timberland sign, but it's not metal. It's just engraved. And these I got dirty a while back. I spilled something on there. I'm not sure if somebody spilled it on there or I spilled it, but it was like a huge spot, and I got like that eraser thing that you can get for Timberlands, and it completely took it off. So that's the great thing about these too. And the good thing about these is that you can also wear them like with really thick socks, and they're so warm and comfortable like that. And I don't know, just stepping on rocks as well, it's not gonna hurt your feet. I do have flat feet and plantar fasciitis, and a lot of the times I would like, that's why I wear boots too, because my heel hurts. So sometimes if you do step on like gravel or something, and you do have plantar fasciitis, you know what I'm talking about. It can hurt your heel a lot. And besides that, I have the flat foot. So I really do like wearing boots whenever I can, you know, like during fall or winter. That's where I mostly wear, or that's when I usually wear the boots. And yeah, I think that's why I really like them. And I just like the style of them, so that's why I have them. And then these, they're also engraved. The light purple ones were the only ones without the engravement. They actually have like a metal piece. So these are the last ones I'll be showing you. I only have 3 pairs, and I might continue my collection with more colors. So these are it. All right. The next ones I'll be showing you are the Doc Martens. I did not purchase these. My mom did for me, and she got them on clearance, but I have not seen these in store at all. So I love that. But they have engraved roses, and they're also very comfortable. Like this like little heel, and just like, I guess the way they're built, I just think they're so comfortable for people with that. A lot of the times I do see that people do have to break in Dr. Martens, but in my case, I've never had to do that. I think they're very comfortable. The only ones that I've actually had to do that with are like Birkenstock sandals, and I only own 1 pair, and I got them for $40 because I think they were also past season, but that's the only pair I own, and they did hurt at first. But those are very good for flat feet, so I would show them to you, but they don't belong in the boot collection, so it doesn't matter. So the other ones I have are these. I got them a few months ago. They're very dirty because I did wear them in the rain. They look dirtier in person, but these are dirty, you just wipe them off though. That's a good thing about these. So there you go. These are like the slanted version because they do have like different versions of this. I wanted either the platformed one because I do love platformed shoes because of the same reason that I told you guys that I have the foot problems, or these, they have like a little slant to them here, so I liked that. Look, it looks like my head's in the shoe. Like this. Ooh. So the next ones I'll be showing you are my Uggs. These are the ones I recently got. 2 of them are in kids sizes. The reason why I got them in kid sizes are because usually you can get a better deal in them. So that's the reason why. All right. These are in the women's size. I got them at the Ugg website and they were about $70. I think that's a great price. I can't even get that for Uggs around this place where I live at. Maybe like if you have an outlet at your place, like at your guys' town or something, or nearby, you guys can probably get these good sales, but I had to go online to get these sales. All right, and then the other pair are these pink ones. They have a little star on them, and then around here they have like a little shiny pink border. And these are the ones in kid size. They were only $50 with the shipping. So I got a good deal on these. And then the last pair of boots that I got were these gray ones. Same style, because of the same reason. They're like so cheap and I liked them a lot. Oops. So this is how they look. They also have a shiny border. So these are all my boots that I got recently. All right. Besides that, I just want to let you guys know that you guys can get the same sales. You just wait for like the past season ones, I guess, or go online, do your research, and you don't have to go get the dupe version of like the items. You can actually get the real thing for like almost the same amount of money you would get like something at the DHgate website. Because I've seen that website, and they also take a long time to ship to you, but these only took about like a week or so. I think less than that. So go ahead and buy from like other websites like Zulily. This is where I bought these from. They have great brands. If you want Uggs, you guys can also purchase like a pair for like cheaper than you would at DHgate, or go on the Ugg website. Sometimes, like I said, they have the past season items and you can get them for cheaper, or like I think the Doc Martens, where I saw them on sale, were like Nordstrom Rack, or you can also go to Journey sometimes, like the website, not the actual store, and you would get a good price on them. So this video was mostly about like showing you besides showing you my shoes, was like letting you guys know that you guys can also spend less for that same shoe if you'd like. If you really like the item though, go ahead and spend the full price if you do like the item a lot. But if you can wait for it, just go ahead and wait for it and you can pay less for it. So thank you guys, and like and subscribe.